My question to you today is, what are your plans for making some monies for yourselves this Valentine's Day season? If you are that person looking for extra cash that could help you through this season, then you want to watch this video. So, I'm feeling so fabulous today and I love my dress. If you want to know how I made this, from sketch to finish, I'll tell you in the course of this video. But before then, hi everyone, call me Mo. I am a business owner and I share content relating to business, finance, and general money tips through literature, art, and music. If you are new here, you're welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much for your kind gesture. Before we get right into today's video, I'd like to share with you a quick disclaimer. Please note that the information I shared here today is solely for educational purposes and in partnership with Higgsfield AI. If you perhaps might have questions relating to the things I share here, feel free to leave a comment below and or seek external resources. Thank you so much. I believe that Valentine's Day is not just a day to be set aside for lovers and all partners. A vast majority of us, if not all, look forward to this day to express love to those whom we deeply care about. And these people could be our parents, ourselves, siblings, children, friends, or even colleagues. So that's why in today's video, I would share with you 5 ways in which you could make some monies this Valentine's. If you are that person who wants to learn all of this, join me in the comment scenes of this video. According to the Valentine's Day Spending Survey released by the National Retail Federation, dated January 28, 2025, it was reported that the Valentine's Day spending of 2025 reached a record high of $27.5 billion. This was about $2 billion higher difference from what obtained the previous year. Now, this is to tell us that there's a potential and a market big enough for everyone to tap into to make some monies during this Valentine's Day period. Now, I know that the questions on our mind is to know how to tap into the earning potentials of Valentine's Day seasons, given the numbers shown in the reports referenced. For this, I will discuss 2 things. I will discuss the kind of products that could be profitable, and secondly, equipment, resources, and things that we might need to either create and or procure those products. Now, the things that we could do to earn some money this Valentine's Day are things that I believe that just about anybody could do. In some instances, you might need certain resources to be in place before you are able to be a part of that thing. Other instances, all you might require in most cases is a know-how. First thing you could do is, if you own a real estate or a property, you could easily rent out your property this Valentine's Day season. There are quite a number of people that might need or that would need your property for either an event, a romantic getaway, or even a gathering of friends and families. And they will be willing to pay some monies for you in that regard, or to you in that regard. You could decide to place or list your properties on property lending sites that would allow you to charge a particular fee for the period in which you are renting it out. That's the first thing. Another thing you could also do is to offer to cook. So if you happen to be someone who is gifted and you could make really nice dishes, offer to make some meals or a meal for your friends. You might have friends who might be planning something, probably a proposal for their spouses or their partners, and they might just need a professional setting. Some might not be able to afford high-end or luxurious restaurant. You could offer or do those services that in turn you would charge for. You could charge a fee that might not be as high as what they would pay in a standard kind of restaurant, but to a large extent would earn you some monies. Another thing you could also do is to sell physical products. Now, physical products are perhaps one of the kind of products that people exchange during Valentine's Day season. And these are not just products exchanged by partners or lovers, but everyone who wants to be a part of the Valentine's Day celebration. And with physical products, it is imperative that you carry out further research in determining the kind of products that will be profitable for you this Valentine's Day season. Another kind of product you want to try out are digital products. The beautiful thing about digital products are that they do not require any form of inventory and or physical handling. All you need to do is to transfer them or sell them via appropriate marketplaces where transfer is done through those marketplaces to customers who have bought them. Another thing you want to note about digital products is their creation process. You want to ensure that whatsoever tool you have decided to use in creating your digital products gives it a fantastic aesthetic finish. This is outside of the content of that product and the value the product offers. In recent times, AI tools have become more prominent, both in use and creation of different kinds of digital products that are being sold on different marketplaces. Today, I will be introducing to you Higgsfield AI. Higgsfield AI is a user-friendly AI tool that I see as an amazing one. It has so many features that I believe that you would find really interesting. And the best part is it is really, really user-friendly. You do not need any sort of technical skills in order to use Higgsfield. And it has got subscription plans that suit all sorts of budgets. Higgsfield's features are inclusive but not limited to generative AI image creation, image upscale, face swap, relight, soul ID character, cinema studio image, amongst others, whilst it also contains models like Higgsfield Soul, Nano Banana Pro, Flux.2, Kling01 image, amongst others. I have also found it easy to create videos between 5 seconds to up to 5 minutes with any of these features and all models with Higgsfield AI. And as a matter of fact, each scene of this presentation was made and crafted through Higgsfield AI. And I would not fail to mention the perfect synchronization the Lip Sync Studio provides when creating talking clips. And I have found this AI tool extremely useful for my content creation, and you should check it out if you haven't. And finally, you could offer cleanup services for those who might need it during this Valentine's Day season. I do believe that there would be one thing or the other to clean up after a fruitful and enjoyable Valentine's Day season. I hope that you did find value in all of this. Wow, it's been a long day today, and I hope that you did find value in the things I've shared so far. Okay, I haven't forgotten. This is how I made my dress. Using Higgsfield's draw to edit from scratch to picture feature. You should definitely try it out if you're that person who loves to sketch your designs and like to try something new every time. Or you could decide to go with the Fashion Factory feature that allows you to create different sorts of fashion and clothing sets. It's been a wonderful day today, even though I feel a bit tired. But I'm glad I was able to share everything I had to share with you. And I hope that you did find value. If you feel so inclined, give this video a like, a share, and or a subscription. I'll see you in my next video. Have a wonderful day or evening as the case may be. Bye-bye.